kind of shop doesn't have an actual bearing driver tool? Ridiculous.
32 mil and KTM hammer. Well, there's a familiar sight, a beta lying on its side with the guts all out of it. So we got a leaky canner shaft. Sprocket's all knurled up. You should have a new one. New all balls kit put back in. I'm gonna try to use my lever tool to get this out. I don't know if I can or not. If not, I'm gonna drill a couple holes in here with a very small bit. I'm going to screw a couple wood screws down into this seal and pull this out. We will see. Got this tool for seals, most primarily for wheel bearings, but I thought, you know what, there might be enough room in here behind that sprocket shaft. So I jam that in there and give this a little bit of the old how do you do, and didn't it start, whoop, pop right out. Great to have good tools, and it also serves as a really heavy-duty toothpick, or to throw at your buddy when he just pisses you right off. Hey, get out of that! Just hold this right down here so you can see that while I'm tapping this in. I just split that up so 2 O-rings come off that shaft. I put 2 O-rings down inside, and just get your favorite brass drift and start tapping her down till it's flush, evenly. So I've had to take wood screws before and pull these out with some vice grips, but this, with that handy dandy tool, popped right out. There, I'd say that's good. Thanks, bud.